we want to find this side. Okay, but in order to do that, we need one of the angles, and we can find what this angle is as long as we find out what this angle is. All right, so figuring out this, I'll call this angle T prime. Right, we have r according to T prime. This is the opposite and hypotenuse, right? So then we have sine of T prime is going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse. Okay, so then of course to find what the actual angle is, we have to sine inverse both sides. Okay, so we know what T is, or T prime is. Then this angle here is going to be 180, which is this straight line, minus 93 minus T prime. Okay, so I'll call this T double prime. Right? So this angle is just going to be 180 minus 93 minus this angle T prime. So that's 87 minus T prime, and you'll plug this into the calculator at the very end. But we know what T prime is now, right? So according to T prime, this is our opposite and this is our adjacent. Then tangent of T double prime is going to equal to this unknown side, let's call this x, over the adjacent, which is 63.1. Okay, so we need to isolate for x, so multiply both sides by 63.1. Then you can get x is equal to 63.1 times tan of T double prime. Okay, so plugging in for this, plugging into here, and whatever value you end up getting here, we just have to plug it into here. Okay, then you'll get the following.